fraction sums often comes in board exam, and 8 out of 10 students gets confused if they need to solve it with one variable or two variable. So let's read this first. The numerator of a fraction is 1 less than its denominator. 3 is added to each of the numerator and denominator, and the fraction is increased by 3 upon 28. Find the fraction. So now you have to see the numerator is given in terms of denominator. So we will assume denominator to be x and numerator is 1 less than the denominator. So x minus 1. We will solve this with one variable. And now form the equation. Is 3 is added to each of the numerator and denominator. So that means x minus 1 plus 3, and denominator it is also added. Then the previous fraction is increased by 3 upon 28. So what was the previous fraction? X minus 1 upon x, in which there is no increase. It gets increased by 3 upon 28. So we will simply x plus 2, x plus 3 is equal to x minus 1, x plus 3 upon 28. So we'll take the LCM and then cross multiply. We'll get the quadratic equation to be 3x minus 28. And if we solve it with middle split term method, then our x value will come as 4 and minus 7. We cannot take minus 7, negative value, we'll take the positive value, x is 4. So that means our denominator is 4, numerator is 3, and our fraction becomes 3 upon 4. So this is the answer. So now quickly let's do it. The other one, the fraction becomes 1 upon 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. So what is the difference that you see? Difference is there is no relation between the numerator and denominator. In this we'll assume numerator to be x and denominator to be simple y, and then form the equation. A fraction becomes 1 upon 3, so we'll write 1 upon 3 here first. And when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, so that means only 1 is subtracted from the numerator and denominator remains y. So cross multiply, 3x minus 3 is equal to y. So that means 3x minus y is equal to 3. So this becomes our first equation. Now second equation is the fraction becomes 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. So that means in this no addition to the numerator, just y plus 8. Cross multiply, 4x is equal to y plus 8. 4x minus y is equal to 8. This becomes our second equation. We'll do it with the elimination. We'll keep both the equation like this. Minus y is equal to 8. Change the sign. Y get cancelled, and x comes to as minus x is equal to minus 5. So x is 5. We'll put this is the answer.